The budget module is used to maintain budget figure for profit and loss account. To perform maintenance for budget, go to GL and click Budget Maintenance. Here, click New and key in the name for this budget. You may maintain several budgets and each of them can be elected for reporting purposes. Once done, click OK. In this interface, key in the monthly budget for income and expenses account. Here, for the sake of video, I will only key in for December. Once done, click Save and preview report. Here you will be able to see the budget keyed in. To perform comparisons between budget maintenance, go to GL and click Profit and Loss Statement. Here is the report format. Now we'll choose this month versus month budget. Once done, click Show an actual budget percentage. Click Preview. Since we only key in budget for expenses, here we are able to compare between the expenditure and the budget that we have located. There are other available reports as well. For example, this year versus year budget, this month versus month budget, and this year versus year budget, month's budget comparison, year budget versus month budget comparison.